Hey y'all.
Hey.
I'm talking to the camera. This is Brandy. She's one of my friends, and she asked me to do her makeup today, and I've actually been wanting to do people's makeup, but I'm kind of scared too. So this ended up happening, and I don't think it looks bad.
I think it looks pretty good.
I'm kind of surprised. People who actually are experts at makeup, please don't cringe too much. Like, I really tried. I apologize for not uploading videos. I have no idea when this video is going to go up, because right now it's January. For all I know, it might go up in July, Thanksgiving, Christmas, New Year's. In 5 years, who knows? But I will try to put it up as soon as possible. Today is January 12th, 2018, so hopefully it'll go up. I would like it up within a month, but I know myself very well, and I could see it going up in a couple of months or years. But anyways, you guys can keep on watching to see how I did her makeup, and yeah, hope you enjoy it. Okay, so my eyes are watering. So first, we're gonna take Maybelline's Age Rewind Concealer to prime her eyes. Maybe I have to face more this way so people can see it.
So I can watch it later when I'm subscribed to you.
This girl's not subscribed to my channel.
What does the concealer do?
No, because like, you know, like your eyelids are kind of red, and like mine are kind of red and oily, so it like gives it an even, like it matches your face. I'm gonna take the Jaclyn Hill palette. I'm gonna take one of these colors. I think that one maybe, and this is gonna be like a base color for her eyelid.
Maybe.
I want to play background music, but YouTube will demonetize me. Well, I don't think I have enough views to get monetized. Because you have to have 10,000 views on your videos to get monetized, and I don't think I have 10,000 views on any of my videos. Or like all together.
How many views do you have?
I think all together I have like 2,000 views.
That's pretty good.
But that's like 10 videos. So that's like 100
really
views.
Good.
That's a lot. People get millions. Then I'm going to take this color. I don't know what this color is. But I'm going to put that in her crease. Okay, I'm actually not mad at this so far.
This is kind of relaxing.
Now let me go back and look at my reference photo. I'm kind of going off this photo, but I'm not that talented to do a cut crease, so I'm just going to improvise and do my own thing.
Not do a cut crease.
I think I'm going to put this darker shade and put it on the outer part of her eye. I'm going to take this darker color. She has names for these colors, but I don't know the names.
Sarah.
No, it's not done! It's not done, y'all. I'm not gonna let her walk out of here looking like a damn fool.
Oh, Lord.
Okay, I like the gold color in the Juvia's Place palette better. This is the Masquerade palette. This is the mini version. I don't think you need the large version because this is like plenty. So I'm gonna take this brush. It is Lottie by London. No. I don't know if that's actually the name. This is Lottie in London, so I'm going to take this gold shade, isn't that pretty, called Casablanca, and I'm going to put that in on her lid. And I think I'm going to take, I like how I'm saying I think while I'm doing it. I'm doing it, I'm saying I think though. I'm going to spray it with Wet n Wild Photo Focus Setting Spray to make it more vibrant and poppy. See, now I'm gonna dip it in. That's really pretty. Oh my gosh, I like this.
Sorry. I'm concerned.
It's not done. It's gonna look ratchet till I finish. Not bad. then I'm going to go back with, I think I'm going to take Fada and mix this with, oh, this is so much work. Oh no, I should just use this here, that's smart. Because I like both the colors. I'm like taking this one and this color. I'll put it back. I'm gonna remove, like it's kind of everywhere, but it's gonna be fixed. I don't know how makeup artists like do it without messing up this, because some makeup artists they put their face makeup on. It's gonna be fixed. It's gonna be fixed, I promise. No, they put the face makeup on, like the foundation, everything, and then do the eyes.
Yeah.
But I'm like, look at all the fallout. You can imagine just removing all the face makeup? Okay, so now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my Cellar water, which is like a makeup remover water thing, and I'm gonna use this to clean up all of the outside stuff. You see how like this side's slightly more heavy?
Yeah.
Let's see how I can. Let me take a smaller brush. How did I? Oh, I hate when this happens. One eye looks like perfect, and then the other one, you don't know how to fix it. Now, eyeliner. I'm going to take the Steve Laurent Precision Tip Liner in black, and I'm going to put that on her upper lid. Okay, so now we're going to do primer and foundation and all that good stuff, and then we'll come back to the eyes and it'll be beautiful. We hope. So she put on the foundation and the concealer and bronzer.
A little bit,
okay.
yeah.
We're gonna try to finish off the bottom. Whatchamacallit?
You're gonna get so many hits, Sarah. So you're gonna get so many hits.
Oh, yeah, because you're on it. You're like, oh, this pretty girl, a different person besides this ratchet girl who's always on here, doing a bunch of failed DIY dyeing my hair videos.
Oh, did you put that one up?
Yeah, it's on there. It got like 50 views. I'm gonna use the Urban Decay Glide On Eye Pencil, 24/7 Glide On Eye Pencil. Okay, this is the bottom part. This is the waterline. I'm gonna try, and if I get nervous, I'm just gonna make you do it.
Okay.
Sound good?
Yeah. I don't know.
You keep closing your eyes.
Okay.
Okay, you know what? You can do it. Good attempt.
This video is turning into
Making Brandy do everything. I don't know how you normally do it, but like do it darker on the outer side and then less on the inside.
It's kind of dark, but we're gonna roll with that.
Yeah, I'm gonna like blend in another color with it, kind of to smoke it out.
Is that good?
I think so. I'm gonna take this Auto color and smudge it out with the eyeliner underneath, and hopefully it looks good. Her eyes. She was like, "What? Hopefully."
Yeah, because then I'm gonna have to take it all off.
Why are you closing your
I
eyes?
don't know.
I'm gonna put more of this on the top part. No, you know, I'm gonna fix the eyeshadow first, then go back with the eyeliner. The most professional way of doing makeup. I have like one arm on the ground.
Also, like, you're like just adding more colors.
But do you know what I mean? Like, you know, could you take a brush and try to blend it more?
I don't know, maybe. Okay.
It's just the darker part, the outer part.
Blend it out to where?
Just like, okay, I'm just gonna do an example, but like this. Like this one I'm not mad at. This one's just not blended out as well.
It looks better.
Yeah, I think it looks better. And I'm gonna like highlight the brow bone. That's speaking of, that's what we're doing next. Brows. I'm using the Model Co. Eyebrow Pencil. Instant Brows in medium dark.
Okay, can you do my brows?
Hmm?
I mean, I'm surprised you haven't been like, alright, can you fix your brows?
I feel like brows are easier, but then they're also easier to like screw up in the sense like one can be too square and the other one's too round. Because that's what ends up happening. One of my brows will be too round and the other one's too square, which is I'm sure what's going on right now.
No, you
I'm putting some inner corner highlight in your eye. Oh, this is this shade, by the way.
This eye looks really good.
Yeah, I really like that eye. It's always, if I could just make that one look like, just copy and paste. I don't know if this is a brow brush, but I end up using it below the brow. Makeup artists all over the world are pretty. The way I put makeup on other people. Like, what the heck, Sarah? That is not how you hold a brush. Okay, do you ever curl your lashes? Well, we're gonna try that today. Okay, I'm not sure. I feel like I might ask you to do it. Do you know how to do it?
You just clamp it and
Yeah.
kind of like, yeah.
And you do it for like 10-15 seconds. Just do one eye first and then I'll put mascara so it won't like, whatchamacallit? I don't know what the word is, but fall back down. Okay, I'm gonna use the Mad Lash Black Mascara by The Balm Cosmetics. I really like this one.
That looks really good.
Yeah. Okay, other eye. Now you have to curl the other lash. I'm gonna do like this last minute like bronzing. I don't know if I want to use this or my e.l.f. palette. Oh yeah, this is the e.l.f. contour highlight palette. I'm the worst beauty guru on the
You're like,
planet.
I think I'm gonna do this.
I
While
think-
you're like,
I think I'm gonna just do this. I'm gonna do some highlight. I don't know which highlight I want to use. Oh wait, I forgot to use the brow gel to set your brows. It's like a clear brow gel. This is by Cella Eyebrow Defining Gel. Clear. I'll just like set your brows, by the way, so it doesn't move.
oh, I was so concerned about my brows moving.
No, you know when you've like, well, for me at least, because I think I have way more brow hair than you. Like it just
Smudges.
yeah, and I'm like, okay, that looks weird. Now smile kind of and turn. Okay. Oh, just kidding, don't smile. Wow, don't listen to that advice. You don't smile when you put on highlight.
What do you do?
It goes on the cheeks. Or like the cheekbones, so like light hits it, it's just like a glow. It's subtle though, I'm not gonna go crazy because some of these people go, it's blinding.
Yeah.
Someone complimented me on my highlight and I wasn't wearing highlight. It was sweat. This is what the beauty gurus do. I'm just doing what they do. It's very subtle, like it's not very noticeable.
Okay.
And you want to set your face?
Yeah. Just one
This
spray.
is this Wet n Wild setting spray. Did you move away from it?
Like it wasn't like directly. It was. There you go.
Oh, do you want lip stuff?
No, I don't really wear lips. Usually, I wear some chapstick.
Okay. This is the finished look. It's not going to focus on your face.
Oh.
Because it doesn't have autofocus, so when you move up close, it's blurry. Thanks. Wait, I'm really low. I should probably kneel. Okay. Well, thank you all for watching. I hope this wasn't too cringy. Because clearly I am not a makeup putting on person. And I apologize to all the makeup artists and beauty gurus out there who I just like probably made look bad.
She's about to go apply at MAC.
Wait, what?
You're about to go apply at MAC.
Oh.
The MAC counter. She's gonna work.
Yeah, because they're totally gonna hire me after seeing that. But anyways, subscribe to this channel. I put videos sometimes.
Occasionally.
I post on my blog more frequently, so that should be something you check out because I actually genuinely do that. But anyways, yeah, okay, bye.